Oh, hi everyone. Oh, thanks, Orbit. It's picture day, and we all need to look our very best. Now, where did I put the camera? Oh, thanks, Squeak. You found it.
I don't know, TK. These ones just don't seem to fit right. Maybe try retracting your antennae a little, like this. Oh, but I can't do that.
Maya!
Oh, I wish my boots could do that. All of you can do these neat things that I can't.
No, Orbit. Emma has skin. See? It's soft and sensitive. She's not made of metal like we are.
Green skin? No gears?
Emma, what's wrong?
Green skin? No gears? Cries alien tears? I'm not like my robot friends at all.
Don't worry, Emma. We can...
Can you make me look more like you? Well, maybe we could,
Hey, I have an idea. Just play along, okay? That's a great idea, Emma. We could try to find a way to make you look more like us.
Really?
Absolutely. And that sounds like we have ourselves a mission. And you know what that means. It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We want to dress Emma up like a robot, so we need to find a place with robot parts.
Oh, dress-up time is always fun. Let's see if I can help you. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops, nobody knows.
Oh, Jigsaw Planet!
Solving jigsaw puzzles is a lot of fun, but it's not the right place for finding robot parts, Orbit.
Oh, I love playing sports.
Sports Planet sounds awesome, but I don't think we'll have much luck with our mission there, TK. Ooh, what about this planet? It looks like it has a ton of spare robot parts.
You chose Spare Part Planet, the perfect place to create a robot costume.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Next up, Spare Part Planet.
Whoa! Yes! So, where do we start?
Right. Well, the first thing we need to do is find you a robot helmet. Orbit. Orbit. Whoa! Greasy gears, Orbit. That's awesome.
Oh, it's perfect. Whoa. job. That's way too heavy for Emma.
Exactly.
But if she can't talk, and if she can't walk,
Emma might realize she's awesome just the way she is. That's our real mission. Isn't being a robot great, Emma?
It sure is. Okay, what's next?
We need to find some more parts. Bulky parts.
Boy, being a robot sure is fun. I found the perfect middle piece. I found robot hands.
Great job, guys. Let's suit her up.
Ta-da!
So, Emma, what do you think of being a robot now?
It's... awesome.
Oh, okay. You wait here. We'll see if we can get you a nice pair of shoes or something. Oh, boy, I thought for sure she would have given up by now.
Hey, what's that?
Hold up, Orbit. Don't get too close.
What is it? You should never play around machinery, Orbit. It can be very dangerous. Oh no! My nose is itchy. What is this thing? It's a magnet. Magnets attract some types of metal, and we're loaded with metal. Ah! Emma! So itchy. Almost got it.
Emma! It's no use. She'll never hear us. Huh?
Uh-oh. That's not good.
TK, we need something to help us get Emma's attention.
Nope, not loud enough. Nuh-uh, still not loud enough. What about this?
A megaphone. Perfect. On the count of 4, everyone. 1, 2, 3.
Emma! Help! Oh no! That's it! I've had enough of this! Emma! Help! Help! Oh no! Hold on! Watch out! You'll get stuck too! It's a magnet! Don't worry, Orbit. I'm not made of metal. It's no use. The magnet's too strong. Woohoo! Green means go. Red means stop. Yay! That was awesome. I never could have jumped like that.
Lucky for us, we're not exactly the same. Huh, Emma?
I have to say, it is pretty cool being me.
Green skin, no gears. Let's give Emma 3 cheers. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Mission accomplished. Mission control?
Yes, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Emma was unhappy that she didn't look like the rest of us, so we traveled to Spare Part Planet to make her a robot costume. But our real mission was to show Emma she's perfect just the way she is. She wanted to fit in so badly, she didn't realize how clumsy all that heavy stuff was making her. We looked around for other ideas and ended up getting stuck on a giant magnet. Magnets attract certain types of metal like iron, and we're loaded with iron. We needed our non-robot-y friend to help us. Emma saved us by just being herself. She was able to do some amazing things that we could never do. We're all a bit different, and that's what makes each one of us special.
Well done, everyone. I'd say that means it's time to head home. 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Goodbye, spare part planet! The robot! Hi, everyone. You're just in time. We're trying to decide on a dance for the intergalactic space dance competition. There's only one more day till it begins. Ooh, hip-hop music. Now that would be a cool dance to learn.
Come on, everyone. Give it a try. It's called popping.
Yikes!
Oh no, I'm sorry. Sorry. It's okay, Orbit. You didn't mean to. But now what will we do? How will we pick a dance routine without music? We need to find music.
Hey, that sounds like we've got a mission. And you know what that means? It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
We're practicing for a dance competition, but we broke our stereo. We need to find a place that plays music so we can learn a dance routine.
Oh, I love dancing. Let's see if I can help you. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops? Nobody knows.
Oh, pirate planet! A pirate adventure would be exciting, Orbit, but it's not the right place for practicing a dance routine.
Oh, I really like playing board games.
Board Game Planet sounds like fun, but I don't think it's the right place to find a music player, TK. What about this planet? It looks and sounds like it might do.
You chose Music Planet, the perfect place. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Next stop, the Music Planet.
Wow! This place is...
Awesome! Now we just have to decide on a song and dance style.
Okay, the dance competition rules say teams have to have 4 dancers to enter.
1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect!
We'll have to make certain we find a dance all 4 of us will like.
Disco music! We can do the hustle! Do the steps with me. Walk backwards. 2, 3, 4. Now forwards. 2, 3, 4. Now to the left. 2, 3, 4. And spin to the right. 2, 3,
okay?
I can't dance with only one wheel. Don't worry, TK. There are lots of other dance styles to choose from.
Emma's right. We'll just keep searching until we find one that suits your cool wheel.
But we only have one day to the competition. There's not enough time.
Come on, we'll find something we can all dance to. Ooh! Ooh, the macaroni! I love this one, and it's simple. Come on, everyone, get off your seats and try it with us. Ready, everyone? Here we go. Raise your right arm up. Now your left. Right hand on your tummy, and then your left. Right hand behind your head, left hand behind your head. Now, wiggle your body like a noodle. Right hand on your bottom, left hand on your bottom. Swing your hips to the left, then to the right. Yay! Ah! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, TK, are you all right?
That's it. I quit. I'm terrible. I'll never be able to dance.
But TK, we can't enter the competition without you. TK, I promise we'll find a dance that's perfect for you. You'll see. Let's try this record player.
Hey, check it out.
Rockin' robots! I love rock and roll. Wacky, wacky, wacky-doo. Wobby, wobby, wobby-doo.
Everyone shake your head. Like this.
Waka, 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 waka-boo. Waka, 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 waka-doo. Wah, bam, bam, boom. Wah, bam, bam, boom. Oh, wobbly, wobbly, wobbly-doo. Wacky, wacky-doo. Wah, bam, bam, boom. Wah, bam, bam, boom. Oh, wobbly, wobbly, wobbly-doo. Wah, bam, wacky-doo.
Pop, are you okay?
Ouch! I think I hurt the record player. And my foot.
Just when we found a dance TK liked. Now what are we going to do?
We can't give up, you guys. Come on, let's keep looking. Oh, this looks cool. What is it?
It's a jukebox. A jukebox has a lot of songs to choose from. Maybe we'll find something in there.
Let me check. Huh? Uh-oh. I guess I landed harder than I thought. My rocket boots won't work. Hey, TK, don't you have something in your tummy trunk we could use?
One little balloon won't be enough to lift you up.
Oh.
Aha! This trampoline would bounce you high enough to reach, but it wouldn't be very safe. Aha! A car jack. It's used for changing flat tires. We can use the jack to lift you up.
Wow, there's a lot of songs to choose from. Oh, this one sounds like fun. It's called the Robot Boogie.
Whoa! I've never heard music like that before. It sounds funny.
That is a funny sounding song. What do you think, TK?
You just look like a silly robot. It's no use.
TK, that's it. That's the perfect dance for us. The robot.
Oh, how fun. TK, show me how. Oh, me too.
Looks like we found our dance, everyone. I'd say Control?
Yes, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
We were trying to find a dance for the intergalactic space dance competition. So we traveled to the music planet. There were all sorts of music players, and each one of them played a different style of music. We learned so many cool new dance moves. We needed to find a dance that would work for all of us. We then tried a dance called the macaroni, but without hips, TK couldn't finish some of the moves. She was getting very discouraged. So then we tried dancing to rock and roll. All of us really liked it, but I got a little carried away and hurt my foot. That's when we found an old jukebox. We never gave up, and guess what? We found the perfect dance for all of us, the robot dance.
Good mission, Rob. Well done. We'll be just in time for the dance competition. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye, Music Planet! The robot! Hi, everyone! Check this out. We found a bottle floating in outer space, and there was a message inside. What does it say?
It says, X marks the spot where the treasure is buried. And look, it has a pirate ship drawn on it.
Oh! It's a map! It's a map! Ooh, it's not just a map. It's a pirate's treasure map! Signed by Nosebump the Pirate.
Pirate treasure!
I've never gone on a treasure hunt before.
That sounds like we've got a mission. And you know what that means? It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission Control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We found a pirate's treasure map, but we have no idea where to go.
There's nothing more exciting than hunting for pirate treasure. Let's see if I can help you. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops? Nobody knows.
Ooh, lunchtime planet. Yum.
A healthy lunch is important, but I don't think we'll find pirate treasure there, TK.
Oh, I love dancing. Can we go there?
Music Planet would be a lot of fun, Emma, but I don't think we'll find pirate treasure there either. Now that looks like a place where we can find pirate treasure.
Yes, the Buccaneer planet. Buccaneer is another name for pirate. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
10, Buccaneer planet.
What do the N, E, S, and W stand for?
Oh, I know. Those are the 4 main directions directions on a map. N for north, E for east, S for south, and W for west. North should always be on the top.
The first direction says to go north to Nosebump ship. But which way is north?
Look!
That was just a lucky guess.
Okay, north to Nosebump's ship. Check. What's next?
Next, we go east to Ear Cave, then south to Skull Rock, and finally west to White Beach.
But we have no way of knowing which way east, south, or west is. We don't know where we...
What was that?
I don't know, but I don't think we should wait to find out.
That was close.
It must have been some sort of jungle animal. We should keep moving. What's the next clue?
Oh, I know. East to Ear Cave. I remember because east and ear both start with the letter E.
But which direction is east? We can't just keep guessing.
Hey, TK, don't you have a tool that can help with directions? A compass, yes! It has 4 main directions, just like a map. North, east, south, and west, right?
And a compass's needle always points north towards the North Pole, no matter where you go. See?
So if north is that way, east has to be this way. East, Ear Cave. This rock looks just like a giant ear. We found Ear Cave. And look!
It's a picture of a skull and key.
Just like the one on the map.
Ooh, that's so cool.
It's our voices bouncing off the walls of the cave. It's called an echo.
Hello!
Tell us where we are.
There's that noise again. Let's get out of here.
Oh no! I lost the map!
South to Skull Rock. I remember because South and Skull both start with the letter S.
Yo ho ho!
It's no great shock. We're heading south to find Skull Rock.
And there it is. What was the other clue?
I remember the map had a picture of a skull.
And underneath was a key.
That's right. We need to find a key. It must be here somewhere.
Oh, it's no use. We'll never find it.
Greasy Gears, you scared us. We thought you were some kind of jungle animal. Is that pirate talk?
I think he's trying to tell us something.
Thank you so much. Do you want to join us on our treasure hunt? Awesome.
Come on, everyone.
It's within our reach. We're heading west to find White Beach.
This is as far west as we can go. But there's nothing here.
X marks the spot where the treasure's buried.
Do you think our key will fit?
Sure, let's try it.
All right.
Whoa! What is it?
This doesn't look like treasure.
Finally, after all these years, you've helped me find my precious treasure. I'd buried it for safekeeping, but lost me map. I'm a happy buccaneer.
Not only did we find the treasure, we also made a fun new friend. I'd say that's mission accomplished. Mission control?
Yes, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, we found a pirate's treasure map. So we went to Buccaneer Planet in search of buried treasure. Buccaneer is another word for pirate. Orbit taught us that a map can help you find things. But something making a scary noise found us instead, so we made a run for it. We learned that to read a map properly, you need to know what direction you're going. TK had a compass that showed where north, south, east, and west are. That way, we could follow the clues on the map. In the end, the scary noise was just a friendly robot pirate. He made strange noises because he couldn't find his jaw. That's what the treasure was.
Well done, everyone. I'd say that means it's time to head home.